I've never been happier to see you. I'm just so nervous.
Ekta ma'am center.
एकता मैम हियर, एकता मैम हियर, एकता मैम हियर,
Ekta ji center.
एकता जी यहाँ पे.
Straight. You are straight.
मैम हियर.
एकता
जी
मैम.
यहाँ पे सामने एकता जी यहाँ पे. मैम हियर. Jittery. To see the piece. Yes. Why?
यहाँ से लाइट भी तो नहीं जाएगी, ये मोबाइल वाले पहले उठा दिए.
That was a joke, by the way. Please keep it close.
It's his birthday, so everyone can give a laugh. Come on. So, I met Tanveer earlier this year at a book launch, incidentally. And we were talking about books, and he said, I don't read, but I'm writing a book. So I said, that's interesting. What's it about? He's like, well, you know, I don't like ugly people either, so this is about pretty people doing ugly things. So that's where we were at, and he asked me to host this event for him tonight because I know these stories about him and he knew that I was going to say them today. So there is only one person that I know, and when I heard this line I thought that, is there anybody else in the world who could get away with saying this? And I thought, no. But behind this extremely unapologetic swagger, there's a deeply curious mind and probably faster working mind than anyone else that I've met. So it's only fitting that
You said a lot of things, but Ekta now say something about me.
I was getting to Ekta. So we have Tanveer, my friend, writer, screenwriter, producer, soon to be director, and the person who was the first to recognize this in him, Ekta Kapoor. Applause. So Ekta, will you please release the book? We don't have a ribbon, so you're going to have to tear the wrapping paper off the book.
It's just actually in keeping with the spirit of the book.
Yes.
People tear it apart. And
Tear it apart, rip it apart.
Please, rip it apart.
Go for it.
Stand up, please.
You can see why we had such a long relationship together.
Yeah.
खड़े करो.
थोड़ा खड़े हो जाइए ना प्लीज.
विजुअल्स नहीं मिल रहा है.
दिख ही नहीं रहा मैं. मतलब कैमरे को नहीं दिख रहा है.
So before we start the questions about the book, can we have one huge round of applause for Tanveer? Very tender age has managed to do so many things in his life. And as he said, one day से पहले मैं शाहरुख खान के साथ तो picture बनाऊंगा.
It's happening, 2020.
2020.
Before he dies, not I. Thank you, Ken.
Okay, so I have a couple of questions and feel free to jump in anytime you want. But since you have a lot of friends over here, I'm sure I think this is the question that everyone has on their mind. Why? Why? Why this?
So it's this book actually has an interesting story. We had actually started. We thought of it as a film earlier. We had some stories written down for a movie that we wanted to make, and some of them were deemed unfilmable for large reasons. I mean, obvious reasons. So why waste the stories? And then it sort of flew from there. My friend Madhuri in the audience there, thought it'd make a great book. She's a fellow author, and sent us off to Penguin. Penguin loved it. 2 drinks, 3 starters later, I had a book deal. And that's how the book came about. I particularly enjoyed writing it. I think it came, no pun intended, really naturally, and it flowed well. And there's no clean way to say this. But, it just erupted, and the juices flowed. We should stop.
No puns intended
No
there
pun
at all.
intended. No, totally.
So where did you get the inspiration from? Where did this start?
The inspiration has just come from from places, people. Like the book has said in the beginning, not necessarily my inspirations, just people that I've heard from. Like the book says in the cover, this is dedicated to all the women that I have met and for those that I'm yet to meet. So, and some of my most favorite people here. Lots of interesting women that I've met, stories I've heard, people's imagination, things that they've done, confessed to doing, not doing, some of it real, some of it not. It's found its way into the book. And here we are.
A lot of plagiarism, basically.
Lots of it. There's no original thought really in the book.
But why erotica? Why erotica? Why sex? Why in this book?
So that's it. It just came naturally, like I said.
This is what comes naturally.
It's fun. I enjoy writing drama as well, but it's not as fun as people taking their clothes off. So it's just that they beat as opposed to shed his clothes.
Is anything more fun than people taking their clothes off?
People doing stuff after they take their clothes off. This is the Gotham City of sex, like I like to call it. I'm nervous, so I know this shit. It's not going to. They'll edit it out.
What do you think, Ekta? What do you feel about this? What do you feel about the book and the subject matter? Do you feel that erotica is necessary right now?
Is it necessary? We're in a space any time of our lives, any generation, we always need erotica. I don't think we've ever been able to live without it. And as I said, it's not so much about erotica only. The book is called Wet.
It's not.
Can we get even more obvious than this?
But what is the difference between erotica and porn?
Just the lighting, actually.
What lighting did you write this book with?
This is really, it's a well-lit book.
Well lit with
It's lit with really wicked words. It's classy and clean, and I hope that the book will not turn people off. It is provocative. It is, huh? No, it does. It's to turn people on. It's just not crass. It's not. This is the it's not the KRK version of. You get what I'm saying? It's nice. It's clean and stylish.
So what was the most difficult part about writing this book?
It was just time actually. A book really takes a lot of focus to get into and sit down and write. And time is something that we're all juggling, doing multiple things. So I wish you could be a full-time writer and focus and write. So it's just time. But once you sit and do it, I think it's come out very nicely.
And is there anything you would do differently if you were to do it again?
A lot of people have asked me that. Not related to the book.
Maybe other stories that you would see.
No, I think I'm really happy with the book. I think Penguin has been a great support. They've given me all the creative freedom. They let me have final cut. So that's nice. It's encouraging. And I hope the sequel comes out soon.
There's a sequel?
There will be.
What's it going to be called?
It's
Drenched.
We are open to suggestions at this point.
But while you were writing this book, were you writing anything else? Did it influence anything else that you were working on?
Not really. I've only written this one book. It's my first book. And in terms of writing a book, it has been just that. I have been writing a lot of other material for shows and television and movies. But as a book, it's had my focus. As a genre, it's had my focus. So, yeah.
I wonder why.
Mirab.
I have a new image. Please, let's stick to that.
Did you ever think you would be a writer?
Yeah, I've always enjoyed writing. I really, from the bottom of my heart, it gives me focus. I enjoy writing. It takes you into the world, and yeah, I love it. I've always wanted to do it.
And did you think he was going to be a writer?
Did I think he was going to be a writer? I've hired him for almost 11 years. I think I thought that, yeah. See, I knew he could write something which would be called wet. It would be a different medium, I thought, but yeah, it came out in a book. So yeah, this is something that Tanveer is good at. From whatever I know from other people's experiences or mine.
We're not there yet.
We're not there, right? We won't ever be there. You're not getting any version of mine there.
So Dan, do you have a favorite story in here?
Yeah, there's actually a story called Tipping the Velvet, which has a sort of supernatural element to it, and I think that is my most favorite. I don't want to reveal the story, but it's a twisty story with a bit of supernatural. So yeah, horror is one of my other favorite genres. So yeah, that would be my favorite.
Do you think it's time now that we do a reading?
Yeah, I think that would be nice.
So, do we have any volunteers from the audience? Anyone who wants to read a paragraph for us?
Don't feel shy. We're in 2016.
A lot of actors in this crowd.
Ken,
Tanveer, you choose the girl.
let
You
me-
choose the girl, Tanveer. One of the girls out there in the audience. I can see Anita, Kritika. Choose one of the girls you think
Let me
can
think.
read. The girl in the red shirt.
all the girls are hiding.
Some of the heads just kind of like go down.
I want a girl to read. Put your hand up. One of the girls. Come on.
Come on, Keerthi, come on.
Come on,
Keerthi, right
girls.
there.
Come on.
Come on up front.
Now since Tanveer, Keerthi and Isha are there, I will go and sit in the audience.
Everyone clap for Ekta.
Guys, we've had a very nice MC. Let's all clap for Isha.
As she thrust her hips in his face, his tongue deep in her wet pussy, exploring.
Feel free to keep cheering.
And keep moaning, if you will. He could tell from her throbbing clit that she was going to folds and nibbled her, holding each fold for a few seconds before letting it go, feeling every little twitch of pleasure and pain. Rocky's tongue slithered in and out of Sheila, massaging every ridge on her swollen lips. Her pussy was lungs. Oh God, she cried out. Rocky's tongue seemed to touch her very spirit. Sheila thrust harder and harder into his mouth.
This is just page 1, by the way.
Rocky sucked hungrily on her lips, nipping them, refusing to let go, much like a stubborn dog refusing to part with his meat. The sexual tug of the dog and the very wet bone, the thrill of fresh meat, Sheila's legs open, splayed, inviting, thrusting, bucking, lunging, assaulting, plunging. It was like an out-of-body experience for me. The loud, wet noises reverberated around the room, the moment drenched in sweat, the night squirming hard. My wife was close, very close. I could see it in her eyes. Her screams lit my skin with hellfire, her soul vibrated. She was trembling, palpitating, quivering, as Rocky pushed his tongue deeper inside her. Harder flicks, tongue on pussy, glistening, gushing juices, blood rush, aggressive teeth, a thunderous wave, and finally, an ecstatic sigh. Sheila shuddered. She came like a deluge. She even cried a little. Time seemed to slow down. Rocky looked calm.
Give it up for Keerthi. That is not Ken.
Ken just left the room. Ken has gone home.
Any questions at all? Normal, clean, not so clean, cheap, disgusting, vulgar? They're all standardized. Did I get turned on while riding? It's not really. It's like, no, I'm not lying. It's actually like shooting erotica. It's never hot when you're actually doing it, shooting it or writing it. But I hope the readers get turned on. I mean, that would be complimenting. That would be the plan.
Any other questions?
Really, no.
I know everyone has a lot of questions. No, you should ask
No,
him.
ask me separately.
He wants to be asked out in front of
Right now.
everyone.
So Tanveer, what was your inspiration or who did you think of when you were faced with the writer's block?
Ken Ghosh. Simple.
Really clear. So there's not really been guidance now, honestly. It's just been it's just come naturally. So it's been one of those.
Shall we sing happy birthday? The book is available at the store. Please buy a copy. Support the author. Do not pirate the book. Do not pirate the movies. Please buy a copy, and I'm here to sign it and add some nice words to it. So please buy a copy. Thank you so much for coming, everyone.
One more.
Yes.
One more from the author, please.
One more.
One more.
One more.
Yes.
No, that's this. The PG-13 store policy.
We all ends here.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yes. The copy is coming out. One. Yeah. All the girls get free.